Hey, thanks for joining us again today, and boy, do we have the Corvette for you. Uh, I don't know if we've actually ever had a Callaway. If we did, it's been quite a few years ago. For sale is a 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06 3LZ with the upgraded Callaway package. For those of you who don't know, basically there was a partnership between General Motors and Callaway. These cars were sent right from the Corvette factory to Callaway Industries, and they were retrofitted. They actually came with an extended warranty through Callaway. And today we have a 2015 Z06. It's got 62,000 miles on it, so people have actually driven this car, enjoyed it. This is a car you can buy and use, and it's actually in excellent condition inside and out. So we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, engine bay. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or you're having it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're buying. I try to point out as much as I can. Obviously, there's going to be little things that I miss, but overall, I try to give a nice presentation. And if there's anything I miss, feel free to call me, text me. I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around with you as well. And as always, there's plenty of photos on the website if you haven't seen them yet. So obviously we got a white Z06. I believe it's called Arctic White, but I could be wrong. I did call down to the National Corvette Museum and I ordered a factory replacement build sheet and window sticker. So as that's available, I will add the information to the website as well. And I also contacted Callaway Industries, and what's nice about them is they keep all the records. So I do have a this was from Callaway, but this is a laminated window sticker of the options that they did, which was over $17,000. I also have a certificate of authenticity in the office, which I forgot to bring out, but there's pictures of it on the website. So really, really nice exterior paint on this guy. Obviously, a lot of carbon fiber accents. The chrome wheels, exactly what you'd want to find. I don't think I would do anything. I think I would just leave the car as it is. Everything's done right, and obviously high quality. Even the insides of the fenders here are really nice and clean. Tires, Michelin Pilot Sports, obviously, and date code 2021. Chrome wheels, excellent condition around here. They still have the nubs on the side of the tires. No curb rash. Very, very minimal wear on the inside, but nothing that you wouldn't expect on a 2015. These are carbon fiber hoods on these. Fenders, hood, everything is in really seamless condition. Callaway actually did cut a hole in the hood for these upgraded Superchargers, but as you can see, professionals did it right. They know what they're doing. Your grills, everything just in nice and clean. Your front bumper, there's a little touch up there. I'm sure there's some really light chips, but nothing out of the ordinary. There's a very little scratch on the headlight there. Your lower carbon fiber trim, really nice and clean. In fact, my finger's going along the whole bottom here, and it's not getting caught at all. I don't see any cracks or anything jumping out at me. And again, your grills and everything here are exactly what you'd expect to see on a Z06 Callaway. Very little chip right there on the stripe. I'll probably touch it up, but I'd rather you know it's there than be surprised. All right, going down the driver's side. Okay, driver's side front wheel, perfect condition the whole way around. Again, very little bit on the inside, which you can see in the pictures. Most people wouldn't even tell you about it. There's no spider cracking or anything coming through from the insides. Brakes, everything. I was just gone over and gone through the shop. Again, Michelin's in the front. There are staggered wheel. Side Z06 emblem. Very, oh, no, that's just, that was just dirt. So your lower carbon fiber, again, whole way down the side, nice and clean. And there's no cracks or major blemishes in it. Driver's side mirror, again, nice and clean. All right, your windshield, exactly what you want to see. There's no indentations or haziness from the windshield wiper arms going back and forth. I doubt this car's been in much rain. I don't know how you could control it in the rain, to be honest. It's pretty wicked. Uh, they rated at 757 horsepower, which is plenty, especially in Pennsylvania. I don't even know where you'd find a place to actually enjoy the car to go fast enough. So obviously this was somebody's car that they babied. In fact, I even have pictures of it in the people's garage with the lift, everything. It looked like everything that they had was top notch. It is a 3-owner, clean Carfax, if I didn't mention that at all. Carfax report is available on the website, and you can check it out. All right, going down the driver's side here, Callaway designation on the bottom. Very, very minimal wear down here. Again, you're not going to see it in the pictures, but I'd rather you know it's there. Pretty common on Z06s, especially with these fat rear wheels. Inside of your rear fender, nice and clean. A couple little chips at the very bottom there. Inside lip, nice and sharp. All right, if you want to come to the back, I'm going to grab the keys and we'll go through the trunk area too. All right. Obviously, no dents in a Corvette, and I don't see any big scratches. Your, I don't know what you call them, your clamps in here, really exactly what you want to see. The fitment's perfect. All right, so you got rear taillight lenses, nice and crisp, and your carbon fiber spoiler. Again, no chips or major cracks that I'm seeing. This car, again, you got to remember, it's 60,000 miles, but I don't know how you'd ever tell it. It is that nice, and if you come here and see it in person, I believe you'd think the same. Callaway designation on the back. Obviously, black accents really pair well with the factory Corvette bumpers. 4 exhaust pipes out the back. Definitely has a nice sound to it. I believe you can change the mode. You can definitely change the driving mode. I'm sure you can change the exhaust mode, unless Callaway has some different option, but I'm not sure about that, but I can check. All right. Trunk area, perfect. There's no scuffs or tears or anything in the fabric. And your hood shocks, again, holding nice and tight as you'd expect. Just so you know, there's a picture of it on the website, but underneath these rear mats, you can lift it up. The battery's in the back corner here, but right about here where my finger is, there's a plaque about this big. It used to be on the C5s and C6s. I think in the C6s, they were in the glove box, but now they put the identification label in the trunk under there, and you can see all the factory options. But again, I did call the Corvette Museum, and they're sending me duplicate window sticker and build sheet to take about 3 to 4 weeks. Passenger side is going to be just the same as the driver's side. There's not going to be any dents or anything. Again, nice sharp edge there. Bottom's nice and clean. Same little bit of wear marks on this side as that side. Again, you're going to expect that with a, what are these, 19s? 20, yeah, 20-inch tire. Again, Michelin pilots in the rear. Perfect condition on this side. Red painted calipers from the factory. That's a nice option. And just a killer car. Removable hard top. I actually haven't had it off yet, but I'm sure it gives it a pretty nice look. So this is a pretty badass car when it comes down to it. I haven't had one, but you can see they do the Callaway designation door sill. A lot of things on the interior. If you want to go around, I'll show you the interior. There's no kind of odors or anything. Big thing, you can see it in the pictures, but the dash board is really nice in these. A lot of times through the years, a lot of the dashboards can ripple. None of that's showing on this. Your driver's seat bolster is nice and stiff. It hasn't been worn through. Actually, really barely shows any wear at all. Z06 embroidery in the headrest. It's got heated seats. It's got cooled seats, backup camera. It's got both sets of keys. Again, here's your mode select, heads-up display. A lot of these options you can read on the website or on the window sticker in the build sheet whenever I get it. Factory original manuals, and I'm just going to read through this so I'm not coming up with stuff off the top of my head. All right, 757 horsepower. It does have an upgraded Supercharger. Again, there's pictures of all this on the website. And then you have all your carbon fiber accents, and a total, again, almost $18,000. So looked like these were done up in Connecticut. So, and you can look all this up. They're a really reputable company. Now they get into doing all kinds of cars, not just Corvettes. Now let's show you why you're buying it. Okay, again, supercharged V8, obviously, automatic transmission, really, really aggressive looking engine bay, if you can see it. I mean, I don't have many words. They really do a nice job. Everything fits. It looks like it's factory, and you can tell that this was a high-end car. It is a high-end car. Just getting harder and harder to come by. There is one little chip in the windshield here I wanted to point out. It has been filled, but I'd rather you know it's there than be surprised again. And you know, definitely feel free to call me, text me. I'll do an individual walk around with you again. That way you know exactly what you're coming to look at or coming to buy, or we can ship it right to your front door. We ship cars all over the country, and we'll do whatever we can to get this guy in your garage. So give me a call, 724-388-4930, and thanks for watching.